Okay, so first things first, maybe we can do a quick unboxing. So what is the difference between the iGrill and the Weber Connect? Well, the difference is Wi-Fi. And why does that matter? Well, all of the other ones of these that we've tried, the problem is that as soon as you go actually away from your grill, the Bluetooth tends to basically start failing. Come on, come out of your box. Oh yeah. So Bluetooth is unreliable and doesn't connect well. So this guy runs off of Wi-Fi, it's rechargeable. What is it? I forget what the hours is now. It says somewhere possibly on here how many hours it goes. I'll leave all of that in the description, basically how long it runs. So the other cool part about the Weber Connect is it actually comes with 2 probes, and they're 2 different styles. So most of these guys that you get come with multiple meat probes, probably 2 or 3. Most of them 2. So that's a meat probe. The meat probes are great for meat, but when you want to have the grill temperature as well, meat probes actually aren't the best for getting grill temperature. And that's where this guy comes in. So the whole point is that it actually clips into your grates, and this thermometer is actually better for keeping track of the temperature of the inside of the grill itself. That's one of the benefits of this guy that the other guys don't have. Now you can add one of these to just about any unit that you want. Oh yeah. Now I already see possibly a good thing, but possibly an issue. This is a matte finish. I have a feeling that this is gonna get greasy and you're not gonna be able to see it well. The other thing that I forgot to check is the waterproofness of this, if any, because I actually completely forgot to check that before purchasing this. I'm not gonna lie, this was an impulse buy. I was not planning on buying the Weber Connect system, but I did. So hope for the best, I guess. I don't see a power switch on this thing anywhere, so I'm assuming we're gonna start by plugging in the micro USB port. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, oh yeah, as soon as I turned it on, or as soon as I powered it up, it turned on. So it's charging right now. Okay, so Play Store, search for Weber Connect. iGrill will not work. We're gonna install this. This app has absolutely terrible reviews. It is a 1.6. So that worries me a lot. Open this guy up. So I'm gonna pair the device. All right, so let's pair away. So let's select the device you want to pair. It knows that that's the device I'm pairing. I'm assuming it's the only device that actually works with Weber Connect. So it says that it's paired, and that's it. And then the app forced closed. Man, I hope that's not actually what's gonna happen here. It says it's ready to grill. Okay, so it's saying that I need a software update. I will do this software update and come right back. Oh, just kidding. It did the software update for me automatically. Updating failed. Yes, of course you did. Why wouldn't you fail? Let's try again. Oh, Weber. So as you can see, it says update failed again. I'm gonna keep recording on this. Might as well shut this off for now. I'll let you know what happens here in a minute. This is flashing red. I guess I could maybe hit this, I'm assuming this little hole in the back is a reset button. Oh, let's play. Okay, reset. Paperclip. Should we try and see if that reset button does anything? again. So I'm gonna charge this up and we'll come back and take a look and see what we can do. I have a feeling that something's not right here. And it's probably has to do with the charging. It's probably dead or too dead to do a software update is what I'm thinking. So I'll charge this and be right back. See you in a minute.